this is Ishtiyaq. I'm a telecom guru. Have you ever heard about business model canvas? Have you ever painted it, designed it? And have you done it in last 6 months or 1 year? I'm going to talk about business model canvas, how to design and paint a business model canvas seminar, online workshop or online training. It's a 3 days online workshop, 4 hours a day. It's a certified workshop in collaboration with Gulf Business Network Training Center from Saudi Arabia. So they are the one who are organizing it and taking care of it. And I'm the one who is the moderator and subject matter expert. So what about this seminar? What is business model canvas? Business model canvas is basically a graphic presentation of several variables for marketing, sales and strategy. It's a strategy tool to analyze the business situation. It is developed and the idea presented by Swiss business model guru Alexander Osterwalder. You can see his picture on the right hand side. And there are 9 categories for business model canvas. What are these 9 categories for business model canvas? Customer segments, customer relationship, channels, value proposition, key activities, key resources, key partnership, cost structure, revenue streams. So my workshop is going to talk in deep about all these 9 activities and 9 modules. So what I'm going to talk in 3 days, what are the modules and outline of the workshop? B2B sales with use cases, with business cases and other examples, customer centricity, digital transformation for B2B, very thorough study, presentation, use cases, new technology, famous job to be done theory by Howard professor. That is going to be discussed in detail. How to perform a thorough competitive analysis. If you want to design business model canvas, you should know about all these things. So you're going to learn about all these things. You're going to discuss about all these things. Design thinking, then value proposition with customer profile. And at the end, you are going to design the business model canvas for yourself, for your company, for your individual business, for a startup or for your existing running business. This session, 3-day session, is very interactive, very elaborative with real, very good use cases and business models which is going to be discussed. You would be thinking, have I done it earlier? Yes. And recently, July 2020, I conducted one of the business model canvas workshop to one of the largest petrochemical company in Saudi Arabia in collaboration with GBNTC, and it was so interactive, so successful. So I would suggest, please get in touch with me or GBNTC to have a business model canvas online seminar, webinar, training for yourself, for your staff, for your company, for your organization, and you are going to learn something very good, very new, and it will really help you to define the business plan for your organization. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep in touch. Take care of yourself.